PuppetLabs is an open source software company founded in 2005 based out of Portland, Oregon. We create products that help system administrators manage and configure their entire infrastructure. So when we were looking to expand internationally, we were looking into people that have attended our trainings. We found that a member of Edrans had actually attended one of our public trainings in Los Angeles. So we reached out to them, had a few conversations, had a lot of liked opinions as far as business. So we talked a little bit further and we decided to try a partnership out. So Edrans actually, they bring one, puppet skills, two, they just have a full understanding of what it's like to manage an infrastructure. And so with our distance away from the region, as well as the language barriers and some other cultural barriers, they are a great company that we can rely on to handle all of our business. We see that Latin American companies should deploy and manage their infrastructure just like any other company around the world. So just with our growth into Europe, Asia Pacific, Latin America is no different. We see these companies having the same problems and having to solve the same tasks. We see Puppet all over the place, actually. So we have a pretty broad reach so far, and we see that continuing. So as our product spreads, as the growth and the demand continues, we see it everywhere. Puppet itself, although it's software, it's really a declarative language. So what you can do is actually declare your end state of what you want your infrastructure to look like. From there you can simulate it in a no-op mode, so you can adapt changes and not have it affect anything. Once you agree to those changes, you can then enforce it. And then there's a reporting mechanism that you can then go back and see what you've done.